Okay, BRI third quarter is out, and you can see here big jump back in the sales, which happily we had predicted. So the actual sales number 37018 is only 1 billion rupiah difference from our 37017. Okay, how did it come about? Well, first, the other short-term assets jumped 5%, and that brings the 12-month average to 3% growth, which is kind of back to normal. And the ratio of sales to assets, which is normally at this 3.1, was down at 2.4, also bounced back to 2.7. So what we're doing is we're predicting quite conservatively a 2% growth in the short-term assets for the next 12 months, and we stick with this 2.7 sale to asset ratio, and we still get sales rising back up to 40.6 trillion by the third quarter of next year, which looks like that. The cash flow was still a bit negative, but much better than it had been in the previous 2 quarters. That's because the investment side is huge, minus 71. But of course, that's things going into investment, so it will come back later. And we're expecting the cash flow will recover up to 8 trillion a quarter over the next 12 months. So that's the cash flow you can also see recovering. And when we plug all this in, we get you can see the capital paid, we get a much higher target price of 7,357.